Have you ever fired up the grill, excited for a juicy burger, only to find it cooking unevenly? Maybe it plumped up in the middle, resembling a meatball more than a patty. Or perhaps it shrunk into a dense hockey puck-like disc. We've all been there. Shaping burgers might seem straightforward, but even seasoned grill masters know it can be a delicious dance with disaster. A perfectly shaped patty is more than just aesthetics. It's the foundation for a burger that cooks evenly, boasts a satisfying texture, and wears its toppings with pride. An uneven patty can lead to a frustrating mix of overcooked and undercooked meat, disrupting the harmony of flavors we crave in a good burger. So, how can you guarantee patty perfection every time you grill? The answer, my friends, lies in understanding the science and art of burger shaping. Over the years, I've experimented in the kitchen, battling burger blunders and celebrating patty triumphs. Through trial and error and a whole lot of burgers, I've unlocked the secret to crafting patties that are as delicious as they look. Get ready to elevate your burger game because I'm about to share my tried and true techniques for achieving patty perfection. From understanding the great shape debate to mastering essential shaping techniques, we'll equip you with the knowledge and skills to become a true burger shaping champion. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more tips and tricks to perfect your grilling game. Let's make every burger a masterpiece together. Round or square? It's a question that has sparked debates among burger enthusiasts for generations. While both shapes have their merits, the choice ultimately comes down to personal preference and cooking style. Round patties, the classic choice, offer a timeless appeal. Their curved edges encourage even cooking, ensuring the center and edges reach the desired doneness simultaneously. They also provide ample surface area for a beautiful crust to develop, adding a textural element that elevates the burger experience. Square patties, on the other hand, maximize surface area contact with the grill grates. This results in faster cooking times and those coveted crosshatch grill marks that scream backyard barbecue. The flat edges also make them ideal for stacking, creating towering burger creations that are as impressive as they are delicious. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Experiment with both shapes and discover which one speaks to your burger-loving soul. Whether you prefer the classic elegance of a round patty or the bold statement of a square one, remember that the key lies in achieving a consistent thickness throughout. Shaping burger patties can sometimes feel like a wrestling match with ground meat. One minute you think you've achieved the perfect disc, and the next it's deflating or cracking at the edges. But fear not, fellow burger enthusiasts. These common patty predicaments are easily overcome with a few simple tips and tricks. One of the most frequent frustrations is uneven thickness, leading to uneven cooking. To combat this, start by dividing your ground meat into equal portions using a kitchen scale. This ensures each patty cooks at the same rate. Another challenge is patties that shrink excessively during cooking, resulting in dense, dry burgers. The culprit? Overworking the meat. When shaping, be gentle and avoid compacting the meat too tightly. Cracking at the edges is another common issue, often caused by aggressive flipping or pressing during cooking. To prevent this, make a small indentation in the center of each patty using your thumb. This allows the patty to expand evenly as it cooks, reducing the risk of cracking. Remember, patience and practice are key. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. With a little finesse and these helpful hints, you'll be shaping patties like a pro in no time. Section 4. Crafting the perfect patty. A step-by-step guide. Ready to transform ground meat into perfectly shaped patties? Follow these simple steps to achieve burger bliss. Step 1. Prep your station. Gather your ingredients. Ground meat, preferably a blend of chuck, brisket, and short rib for optimal flavor and juiciness. Salt, pepper, and any additional seasonings you desire. Have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper ready for your shaped patties. Step 2. Divide and conquer. Divide the ground meat into equal portions using a kitchen scale. This ensures even cooking and consistent burger sizes. For a classic burger, aim for 4 to 6 ounce patties about the size of your palm. Step 3. Gentle shaping. Using a light touch, form each portion of meat into a ball, then flatten it into a disc about 3/4 of an inch thick. Be careful not to overwork the meat, as this can result in a dense, chewy burger. Step 4. The indentation trick. Using your thumb, make a small indentation in the center of each patty. This helps prevent the patty from plumping up in the middle during cooking, ensuring even doneness. Step 5. Rest and chill. For optimal results, cover the shaped patties with plastic wrap, and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before grilling. This allows the flavors to meld and helps the patties hold their shape during cooking. Section 5. The secret weapon, unveiling, my patty shaping hack. Over the years, I've experimented with countless tools and techniques to achieve the perfect burger shape. From mason jars to cookie cutters, I've tried it all. But my secret weapon for consistently flawless patties is shockingly simple. A plastic deli container lid. That's right. Those humble lids, often relegated to the recycling bin, are actually patty shaping heroes in disguise. Their slightly curved bottom creates the ideal patty shape, while the sturdy rim ensures uniform thickness. Simply press a ball of ground meat into the lid using the rim as a guide, and voila, a perfectly shaped patty is born. This method is not only incredibly effective, but also incredibly convenient. Deli container lids are readily available, reusable, and make cleanup a breeze. Plus, their stackable design saves precious refrigerator space. Trust me, once you try this hack, you'll never go back to your old patty shaping ways. Section 6. Taste the difference, the joy of a well-shaped burger. There's a unique satisfaction that comes from biting into a perfectly cooked burger, its juicy interior encased in a crisp, flavorful crust. And it all starts with a well-shaped patty. When a patty is uniform in thickness and cooks evenly, it creates a symphony of textures and flavors that dance across your palate. Imagine this. You take a bite, and the first thing that greets you is the satisfying crunch of the crust. As you sink your teeth deeper, you're rewarded with a burst of juicy, flavorful meat. The toppings, perfectly proportioned to the patty, add layers of flavor and texture that harmonize beautifully. This, my friends, is the joy of a well-shaped burger. It's a culinary masterpiece achieved through attention to detail and a passion for creating food that brings people together. So the next time you're grilling up burgers, remember that the shape of your patty is more than just aesthetics. It's the foundation for a truly unforgettable burger experience. Section 7. Show off your skills. Now that you're armed with the knowledge and techniques to shape burger patties like a pro, it's time to put your skills to the test. Fire up the grill, gather your favorite toppings, and prepare to impress your friends and family with your newfound burger mastery. Don't forget to share your culinary creations with the world. Happy grilling!